Si nga jot ni ma sum gring nga chong to cho bre sem da so ge mind and life is a talent delia tan de tam she che ni min ni shu zi che zambulin khasa ka ne di na lo le yang ran to tan de ge she ma che cancer mu che pe yu tan de do la ma um ze tan la ya bu chung su na kuran zhe xue de tan da mu tu ne da ram sa la ya lo ni na lo ya sem da so ge chong de kun du gong xian na xi mu tu ne cho to ba qi lin sim xue xiang rang
对有的，那是对有的。
wonderful excellent yeah
Yes, we are going to continue this work.
아주 너버던 대로 지금 가수던 데서 지금 뭐 이거 꼭 간다 최저하고 돈 졸린셔야 돼. 백해서부터
So from the Buddhist point of view, engaging in these dialogues is very helpful instead of being focused just on rituals and chantings. Yes. Good friend.
Thank you for all you've done, Your Holiness.
my life totally dedicated well-being of other.
You've inspired us.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is my wife.
Right, man, now. Kurang tanda ngema jiu ke lama mangbuchi kundu dömö na yorwa jiu shiki tindu raba da mangbuchi dömö na tu kurang kang thari chine chik ti tere
What is the most important thing that Mind and Life can do in the future?
So 사지. So 심도 joy도 저러.
narela.
So 심랑 다시 잘.
It's really the understanding how the mind works because life is underpinned by mind, consciousness.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Holiness.
아면 고관에 뭐 기분에 소식이 심그 소예요.
The moment we are born, from a mother, there is the experience and feeling which is rooted in our consciousness. Tara kishila ta de samda sobu sondu doleng namshu chine te. Na kishi tabge che kishi lodo sambu. Now
아주 대 3월 리고드 트레이닝 그 룽상로就是我们不 그 가다 3월 리고드 냠용으로 되게 도나 뭐 트레이닝 샤윤데 대사 천리보에 뭐 그지 가고 싶으시게 도나 싶으시게
His Holiness was saying that in the Buddhist tradition there's a lot of resources of epistemology and rational and reasonable critical thinking, so scientists can actually take a lot of advantage and benefit from this engagement.
Yes,
그러니까
we will.
최근 근세 라마체 자심을 저래데 레디 계셔서네 세리 계시라 셔야되겠지.
So in his case, even though he's a religious leader wearing robes, but when he gives a talk, often he invokes science. No,
사람도 세리 부르지 말বে.
and also the critical thinking perspective is very similar to scientific inquiry.